Did you know that the use of security robots in businesses has skyrocketed by over 50% in just the past 5 years? That's a huge shift. While human security guards are still around, more and more companies are trusting robots to protect their premises. But why? Let's go ahead and break down what's driving this transformation. Hi, I'm Kathy, your security pro with over 25 years of experience in keeping businesses and homes safe. I've seen it all, from old school padlocks to today's cutting edge tech. And today, we're diving into a fascinating trend: why businesses are ditching traditional security guards in favor of advanced security robots. It's a big change that's sweeping across industries, and trust me, it's something you'll want to know about. Let's talk about some of the headaches that come with managing human security guards. For starters, the cost can be sky high. You've got salaries, benefits, training. It all adds up. And then there's the human factor. Fatigue, distraction, even bias can affect how well they do their jobs. I remember a time when a tired security guard almost let a break-in slip through, all because he was nodding off on the job. It's not just about the money, it's about reliability too. Big businesses with sprawling campuses are finding it tougher and tougher to keep every corner covered. These robots aren't just your clunky sci-fi droids. We're talking about sleek, smart machines equipped with 360-degree cameras, thermal sensors, and AI-driven analytics. They can patrol massive areas without needing a break, and they're always alert. I mean, always. No need for coffee breaks or bathroom stops. And they integrate seamlessly with existing security systems, adding an extra layer of protection. Knightscope recently launched its 5th-generation robots, bringing even more efficiency to high-traffic spaces like casinos, healthcare facilities, and international airports. These businesses need eyes and ears everywhere, and robots are delivering that around the clock. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's great for the big guys, but what about my small business? Well, here's the cool part. Robots aren't just for the Fortune 500. Let me introduce you to Knightscope's K1 and K3 models, which are perfect for smaller operations. The Knightscope K1 is like having a super alert, always-on guard at your front door. It's stationary, but don't let that fool you. It's got cameras, sensors, and it can scan people and objects, making it ideal for entry points like lobbies or reception areas. And get this, it's available for as low as $545 per month. That's less than what many pay for a daily cup of coffee. This breaks down to just 76 cents per hour. I mean, where else can you get around-the-clock security for under $1 an hour? And if you need something with a little more mobility, check out the Knightscope K3. It's like having a patrol guard who never gets tired. Perfect for indoor spaces like retail stores or warehouses. With its 360-degree cameras and thermal imaging, it's always on the lookout. And because Knightscope offers these robots through a robots-as-a-service model, you don't need to worry about upfront costs or maintenance. Just lease the robot, and they take care of the rest. It's that simple. Let me share a story that really drives this home. Cobalt Robotics deployed their security robots across a massive corporate site. Think 1.2 million square feet. In just 1 year, these robots performed 14,000 door checks and found over 600 doors left ajar. That's 600 potential security risks avoided, all thanks to the robot's constant vigilance. It's not just about patrolling. It's about actively preventing incidents before they happen. These robots act as physical deterrents with their large noticeable presence, reducing the chance of crimes being committed. Robots aren't replacing security guards, but they are working hand in hand with human operators, providing real-time data and alerts. So why are businesses making the switch from human guards to robots? It's pretty clear. Robots offer reliable, round-the-clock coverage at a fraction of the cost. And they enhance security in ways that humans simply can't. And with options like the K1 and K3, Even small businesses can tap into this technology without breaking the bank. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Could a robot be your next security hire? Go ahead and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let yourself be a victim of crime. With the growing power of security robots, you can ensure constant protection and peace of mind.